A few days back, January 27th, today is January 30th, January 27th, I created a video called Economic Stimulus Payment, How Much, When, and Wrong Address. And I received a comment from one person, scroll down here, that asked, Arlene asks, "Hello, do you know where I can find my card number on the letter that was sent? When I received the card, I damaged my card and it is unreadable now." Arlene, I doubt that the number would be on the paper anywhere. That would be a security weakness to do that. So the next question then is, how can you recover from a lost or damaged card? So let's go have a look at that. I'll come back to my computer number 2 and go to a new tab, use a Google search and type, "What if I lost my EIP card?" Economic Impact Payment Card is what EIP stands for. And then here we have a message or a search result. "If your card is permanently lost, it's important you call customer service at that number to report lost or stolen card. Your card will be deactivated to prevent anyone from using it." Well, that's not what Arlene's situation is. She's saying she has the card, but it's damaged to where she can't read the number. Now, I'm kind of wondering, Arlene, is it because you thought it was a hoax? That's something that's happened to a lot of people, and they destroy the card because they think it's actually a promotion trying to get you to sign up for a credit card. So here, to request a replacement, it says to call that phone number. Let's go take a closer look. I'm going to right click on that link and choose Open a New Tab. That's mainly just my habit because I like to keep the search results available. And then scroll down to these questions, looking for one that's appropriate to your question. What do I do if my EIP card was lost or destroyed? And click on that. We get an indication here, or answer. If your EIP card is lost or destroyed, you may request a free replacement through MetaBank customer service. To request a replacement, call that phone number, select your language, then select option 2 from the main menu, and enter the last 6 digits of the social security number of the person who is listed first on your tax return. And then it goes through some more stuff. When I first looked at that, I thought, well, that's all well and good, but Arlene was asking for the number. So I got to wondering, what's the possibility that when you call that number, they want you to enter the card number? So I figured, okay, well, let's just go ahead and try it. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and dial that number, and I'm going to put in my numbers. Now, I have not lost my card. I've actually already activated my card and transferred the money to my bank account. So if this gets to a point where I'm might be committing fraud, I'll stop. But let's find out what happens when you place this call. So here I've dialed that number, and I haven't tried this yet.
Thank you for calling Money Network. You received this EIP card because you were eligible for an economic impact payment, sometimes referred to as a stimulus payment. Please be advised that your EIP card is not reloadable. For the second round of economic impact payments, if you are eligible, you will be issued a new card. No action is required. For information about the payment you received, visit the Economic Impact Payment Information Center at www.irs.gov/EIP. For information about your card, please visit eipcard.com. For English, press 1. Para español, oprima el 2. To activate your card, to access our main menu options, or for customer service, press 1. For assistance with a lost or stolen card, press 2. If you received, discarded, or destroyed the economic impact card mailed to you, please press 1. Otherwise, press 2. Please enter the last 6 digits of your social security number. Please enter your zip code.
I muted my microphone for both of those.
Do you require a replacement card? Press 1 for no. Press 2 for yes.
Okay, I'm gonna stop there because I don't want to say I need a replacement card because I have actually activated the card and transferred the money to my bank account. So if I say I need a replacement card, that's going to be sending them a message that that was not me and that was a fraudulent activation and transfer. So I don't want to actually do that. But that got us far enough into the process that says you should be able to request that replacement because it never did ask for the card number. So Arlene, if you are able to watch this video, I think that should work just fine for you. And that phone number was 800-240-8100. So I hope this video was useful to Arlene and other people. Okay. Oh, well, yeah, I guess I should let you know the main function of my channel is to help people with computer issues where I can actually connect remotely to your computer. We can do a Zoom session, be face-to-face, and I'll help you through any Windows-based computer problem that you have. And the reason that's free is because we're creating a YouTube video that will help other people. So in some cases, hopefully most of the time, those will be live YouTube videos. So that's where you get your security because it's essentially peer-reviewed where other technicians are watching my work. So, and the way you do that is to send an email to me, DougBetts@LiveWindowsTraining.com. Give me an idea of what you want help with and we'll put it together. So thank you much. Have a great day. Catch you later. Bye.